This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about food wraps and basket liners, specifically these Foil Luxe wraps and liners. The Foil Luxe aluminum wraps are 12 by 12 squares, and you've got a variety of bright, vibrant colors to choose from. We have the electric blue here on top. Then there's the green, which is a nice like apple green, navy blue, pink, a royal blue polka dot, a red polka dot, and silver, giving you plenty of choices to pick to really grab something that'll grab your customer's attention and really show off your foods. The rippled texture is not only a lovely attractive feature that helps them be more reflective and kind of capture that shine, but it also gives you increased grip, which is fantastic. They're pre-cut into these 12 by 12 squares for convenience. And the micro rippled aluminum wraps are designed to be used for multiple purposes. And having something that's multi-purpose in a kitchen is always fantastic. They make excellent grease-resistant basket liners for meals, or they can be used as insulating wraps for things like sandwiches or other hot foods. So use these for lining baskets for things like burgers or chicken sandwiches with fries and sides, barbecues, wraps, or burritos. You can even use them to wrap things like subs and heroes. So these are perfect for food trucks, restaurants, barbecue and burger joints, sandwich shops, and a variety of other food establishments.